Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. As you know, we are studying new syllabus mathematics and the topic of sets. Earlier, we have studied different topics of sets. Today, we will study combination of operations on sets. In the last lesson, we have studied operations on sets. So, let's begin our lesson. In lesson number 14, we have studied different operations: complement, union, product, intersection and difference. But in our syllabus, there are only three: complement, union and intersection. Let's revise these operations. Complement of a set A is the set of all elements of the universal set which are not in set A. Symbolically, it is written as this, and we'll find the complement by taking all the elements of the universal set which are not in the given set. Universal set of two sets A and B is the set containing all elements that are present in A or B, or both A and B. Symbolically, A union B is written as this. And intersection of two sets A and B is the set containing all elements that are common in A and B. Symbolically, A intersection B is represented like this. So these are the sets operations: complement, union and intersection. In the last lesson, we have solved some question in which there was only one operation. Now in this lesson, we will solve or look at problems which have more than two operations. So in this lesson, we will study combination of operations. In one problem, how more than one operations are given and how we will find the answer. Like this: A union B complement. There are two operations. One is union and other is complement. By the order rule, board mass, you know, we first solve within the bracket. So here we will also solve within the bracket. First we will find A union B as we did in the last lesson, and then we will find the complement of A union B. Complement of A union B will be equal to all the elements of the universal set which are not in A union B, which will be a new set. Similarly, A complement intersection B complement. There are two operations, intersection and complement. We will first find the complement of set A, then we will find the complement of set B, which will be new sets. Then we will find their intersection. Again, there are two operations, complement and union. Finding A complement, B complement, we will find the union of those two. Again, two operations, A intersection B complement. Now in this, three sets are involved and there are two operations, A intersection B intersection C. First we will find B intersection C, and then we will find its intersection with A. Now there are three operations, intersection, union and complement. So first we will find B union C, then we will find its complement of B union C, and then we will find intersection with A. Similarly, A intersection B union C, first we will find B union C and then its intersection with set A, and this B intersection C, first we will find B intersection C and then we will find its union with A. And similarly, there may be some other questions having more than one operations. Now let's solve some questions, exam type questions, which involve more than one operation. Exam type questions. This is question number 1. In this question, universal set is given, which is a set of all x such that x is an integer and x is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 8. P is a set of all x such that x is greater than 5, and Q is a set of all x such that x is less than or equal to 3. Now this is the universal set, and these two sets are the subsets of this set. All the elements of P and Q will belongs to universal set, and no element of P and Q will be outside this universal set, because in this problem this is the universal set. Now to find P union Q and P complement intersection Q complement, we will first write these three sets in tabular form or listing form. Universal set in listing form is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, because it belongs to integers which are greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 8. Similarly, P such that x is greater than 5, so all the elements of P are within universal set and they are greater than 5. So greater than 5 in universal set are 6 7 and 8. Similarly, Q is the set of all x such that x is less than or equal to 3. So 1 2 3, from the universal set we have taken the elements of set Q. Now we will find its first part which is P union Q. P union Q mean all the elements which belongs to P or Q or both P and Q. So we will get a set. P union Q is 1 2 3 6 7 and 8, combining these two sets. Then to find P complement intersection Q complement, we will first find P complement. P complement is all the elements of the universal set which are not in P. So the elements of P complement are 1 2 3 4 5. Then we will find Q complement. Q complement mean all the elements of the universal set which are not in Q. So except 1 2 3 which are in Q, we will write 4 5 6 7 8 which are the elements of Q complement. Now we will find the intersection of these two sets, P complement and Q complement, that is those elements which are common in P complement and Q complement. So elements which are common in P and Q, P complement and Q complement are 4 and Q. So this is its second part. Question number 2. In this question, universal set is the set of all x such that x is an integer and x is greater than or equal to 3 and less than or equal to 11. F is a set of all x such that x is a factor of 12, and O is a set of all x such that x is an odd number. You are asked to list the element of set F union O complement. That is, you are asked to find the complement of O union F union O. First we will find F union O and then we will find its complement. But to find this, we will have to write these sets in listing form. Universal set in listing form is 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and set F in listing form is 3 4 6, because the factors of 12 in this universal set are only 3 4 and 6, and O in listing form is 3 5 7 9 11, because O is the set of odd numbers and these odd numbers must be in the universal set. Now we will find F union O. First, F union O mean all the elements which are in F or O or both F and O. So these, combining these elements, we get F union O this. Now we will find its complement. All the elements of the universal set which are not in F union O, and they are 8 and 10. So this is another question which has more than two operations, union and complement. Question number 3. In this universal set is this, which is already written in listing form or tabular form. Set A is a set of all x such that x is a prime number. Set B is a set of all x such that x is an even number. Set C is a set of all x such that x is a multiple of 5. So all the elements of A, B, C must be from this universal set, and you are asked to solve these three parts. So first we will write A, B and C in tabular form or listing form. Universal set is already written in listing form. Set A, which is prime number and belongs to universal set, are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Set B is the set of even numbers from the universal set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Set C is multiple of 5. So all the multiple of 5 from this universal set are the elements of set C, which are 5 and 10. Now we will solve its first part, which is B intersection C. We will find intersection of B and C. So what are the elements which are common in B and C? It is only 10. Then we will solve its B part, which is A union B union C complement. So first we will find A union B union C. All the elements which are in A or B or C or AB, BC, AB and C. So this is the set A union B union C having these elements. Now we will find its complement, that is all the elements of the universal set which are not present in A union B union C, and it is the only element which is 9. And its C part, we will first find the complement of B. To find complement of B, we will write all the elements of the universal set which are not in B, and these elements are 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. Now we will find the intersection of B complement with A. So A intersection B complement will be all the elements which are common in A and B complement. So elements which are common in A and B complement are 3, 5, 7 and 11. So this is the type of question which have more than one operations, and they are the exam type questions. So these type of questions are asked in your CIE exam. Now next topic is very important, which is Venn diagram. And to study Venn diagram, we should have the concept of subset, disjoint set, overlapping set, union, intersection and complement. So after this lesson number 15, we are able to find intersection, union and complement and combination of operations. So after this please memorize definite subset, overlapping set and disjoint set, and union, intersection and complement. These concepts will be used in drawing the Venn diagram and solving the problems. So try these questions please. Question number 1, 2 and 3. Have a look at these and solve. In question number 2, you are asked to prove this is equal to this. So this is same as you will find this one and then you will find this as we have just solved, and the answer of both this and answer of this should be same. So when answer of this A union B complement and answer of A complement intersection B complement will be same, then you will be able to say A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So try these questions please. You know the schedule of lessons. This is my profile and YouTube channel. You are requested to subscribe this channel. और सब्सक्राइब करने से आपको कोई बिल नहीं आएगा, ना तो आपको YouTube वाले कोई बिल भेजेंगे, ना आपको नेट में से कोई या मेरी तरफ से कोई बेल आएगा, तो इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लें। और आपको लेसन अच्छा लगता है तो आप उसको लाइक कर दें, अगर अच्छा नहीं लगता तो डिसलाइक कर दें। प्रॉब्लम्स कोई हैं तो आप इस नंबर पे मुझे सेंड कर दें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़।